Comes in the shop, and he says to everybody in the shop, all the barbers in the shop, man, I go to this gym, and it ain't no barbers in there, but they got a salon, and it's nothing but celebrities. It's cold, I promise you. I'm like, what the fuck? All right, so what? It's called Equinox. I'm like, Equinox. Oh, okay, all right. So I end up overdrafting my account to become a member. As I'm overdrafting my account, as I'm signing up to become a member, Chris Brown is walking down the steps with his partners from hooping. I'm like, what the fuck? Oh, nigga, fuck this overdraft. We finna make this happen. So I go to the gym, overdraft my account. Just so happened that the shop was just finna close. I go to the lady at the salon, Diane. Shout out to Diane. I say, ma'am, I'm a barber and I just moved from St. Louis. I'm not sure if, what y'all got going on, but if y'all interested in my services, like, I'd love to work here. And she was like, you know what? We were just talking about that.
Everybody shopping. Money, money, money,